What happened to our cuddly eucalyptus enthusiasts? Join us at Fact Channels as we unravel the enigma of the vanishing koalas with 10 mind-boggling revelations. Prepare for a journey into nature's own unsolved mystery. Ever heard a real koala? Their vocalizations are as bizarre as any sci-fi movie sound effect, making guttural growls to communicate. Did you know koalas sleep up to 18 to 22 hours a day? This isn't laziness but a survival tactic. They conserve energy due to their low-calorie eucalyptus diet. Here's a twist. Koalas have fingerprints almost indistinguishable from humans, sometimes confusing crime scene investigations. Would you believe koalas are known to drink very little water? They rely heavily on the moisture in eucalyptus leaves, but recent droughts challenge this ancient adaptation. In a battle against chlamydia, an endemic bacterial infection, koalas face declining health and fertility, complicating conservation efforts. How about the fact that koalas need multiple eucalyptus species? Declining biodiversity means their menu shrinks, and so do their chances of survival. The iconic drop bear myth, though fictional, highlights human fascination and fear of losing wildlife like koalas. Koalas possess a special cartilage in their bottom that allows them to sit comfortably in trees for hours on end, nature's ergonomic design. Deforestation doesn't just steal their homes, it fragments koala populations, isolating them genetically and increasing vulnerability. Believe it or not, urban expansion forces some koalas to navigate roadways, drastically increasing roadkill incidents despite being perceived as high above the chaos. Thanks for watching Fact Channel. Hit like and subscribe to dive deeper into amazing discoveries.